In this video, we are going to solve the problems of exercise 6.3 of NCERT textbook of mathematics class 10 from question number 5 to question number 9. Okay, because we have already solved the question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the last video. I have shown you how to solve those questions. So today we will start from question number 5. Okay, so what is the question here? S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to RTS. Okay, then we need to show triangle RPQ similar to RTS. Okay, so let me show you how to solve this one. Okay, so here in this question it is given that S and T are the points on the sides of triangle on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR. Okay, this is a triangle PQR. This is triangle PQR. Okay, on the sides PR and QR there are 2 points S and T. Okay, such that this angle P is equal to angle RTS. So these two angles are equal. Now we are to show these two triangles RPQ similar to RTS. Okay, so let me show you how to solve. So this is proof. In triangle PQR and RTS, in these two triangles PQR and RTS, okay, these two angles are equal, that is given. Okay, angle P equal to angle RTS, that is given. Now you see this angle R is the angle of both triangle PQR and RTS. Okay, in the both triangle this angle is present. Okay, so that's why R is common angle. So that's why if two angles of these two triangles are equal, then their third angles are also equal. So that's why according to angle criteria these two triangles are similar. That's how we can prove. It's very simple. Hope you have understood this. Okay, just remember you have to write the corresponding vertices in the same order. Here you see SR is the common angle, so vertex R is the corresponding for both triangle, and triangle PQR, the P is corresponding to, as you see angle A is equal to angle T, so P is corresponding to T. Okay, so P is written at middle, so T is also written at middle. So remaining vertices are Q and S. Okay, so that's how we have to write the vertices of the triangle in the same order. Okay, so now let me show you the next. First let me clean this piece. So this is the solution. Now you can note it. Okay, so what is the next question? Question number 6. Here you see in this triangle ABE, in the given figure 6.37. Okay, triangle ABE, this triangle you can see here, triangle ABE and ACD, triangle ACD are congruent. Okay, these two triangles are congruent. Then we need to show triangle ADE similar to ABC. Triangle ADE is this one and ABC is this one. Okay, they are similar, that has to be shown here. Okay, let me show you how to solve. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 6. So here it is given triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, now we need to prove these two triangles are similar. So since triangle ABE is similar to ACD, that's why AB must be equal to AC CPCT. We know corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, so we have got AB equal to AC. Okay, from these two triangles ABE and ACD. Okay, ACD. So here AB must be equal to AC as they are congruent. Okay, so now also this side AD, okay, it is a side of triangle ACD which must be equal to side AE of triangle ABE. So by the same reason CPCT, these two sides are equal. Now let us take in these two triangles ADE and ABC, which are to be shown similar. Okay, now in these two triangles you can see triangle ADE and triangle ABC both consist angle A. So angle A is common angle here. And dividing equation 1 by 2, we got AB by AD and on the other side AC by AE. Okay, so here you see, by side angle side, these two triangles must be similar. Okay, because ratio of these sides AD and AB equal to AE and AC. Okay, ratio of the sides AD and AB equal to ratio of the sides AE and AC, and angle between them are equal. So that's why side angle side, according to side angle side, these two triangles must be similar. So hope you have understood this. So let me clean this piece. Okay, so that is our solution. Okay, so now let me show you the next question number 7. Okay, so this is the figure for question number 7, 6.38. okay, so this figure. So here we have to prove all these four. Okay, here altitude AD and CE of triangle ABC. So there is a triangle ABC, this is ABC. Okay, and its two altitudes AD and CE intersecting at P. Okay, they are intersecting at P, this point. Okay, P, and we need to prove AEP similar to CDP. First let us prove AEP and CDP. So how to prove this one? Now you see, if you observe the figure, these two angles are vertically opposite, so that's why they are equal. And these two angles CDP and AEP both 90, that's why two angles of each triangle are equal. Okay, that's why these two must be similar according to AA. Okay, similarly we can show the remaining also. So let me show you how to solve this. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 7. Okay, so here first we have proved here AEP and CDP are similar. Okay, AEP. Okay, so in these two triangles, if you observe the figure, CPD, this angle, and APE are vertically opposite. Okay, and these two angles CDP and AEP both are 90 degree, as these are altitudes. So CE and AD are altitudes, so that's why these two angles must be 90. Okay, hope you understood this. So in these two triangles we have got, in angle AEP and CDP, we have got AEP equal to CDP as both 90, and APE and CPD, these two. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, AEP and CDP. Okay, both are vertically opposite, that's why they are also equal. Okay, so according to angle criteria, these two triangles are similar, hence proved. Okay, similarly let us prove ADE and CBE are similar. Okay, in these two triangles ABD, this triangle ABE, not ABE, sorry, ABD, and CBE. Okay, in these two triangles. Okay, this angle is common angle. Okay, and these two angles are right angles. So according to angle criteria, these two triangles are also similar. Triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Okay, according to angle criteria. Angle B is common, this one, angle B. Okay, this is common. Okay, then these two triangles are both 90 degree. Okay, angle ADB and CEB. Okay, these two triangles are, sorry, these two angles are 90 degree. Okay, which two angles are 90 degree? ADB and CEB. Okay, so let's move on to next one. Now in the next one we need to prove AEP and ADB similar. Okay, AEP and ABD. So first take the two triangles AEP, which one? This is AEP. AEP, this is AEP, and ABD is this one. ABD, this is the larger one. Okay. Now, in these two triangles PDC and ABE, if you observe the diagram, okay, this is PDC, this one is PDC, okay, and BEC is this one, okay, BEC, okay, this is BEC. In these two triangles, this is common angle, okay, PCD and ECB, okay, these two are common angle, both represents the same angle, okay, PCD and BCE, and PDC and BEC, these two angles, okay, PDC and BEC, these two angles are both 90, okay, both right angles, so that's why those are also equal. So by angle criteria, these two triangles are also similar, okay. Now in these two triangles PDC and ABE, if you observe the diagram, okay, this is PDC, this one is PDC, okay, and BEC is this one, okay, BEC, okay, this is BEC. In these two triangles, this is common angle, okay, PCD and ECB, okay, these two are common angle, both represents the same angle, okay, PCD and BCE, and PDC and BEC, these two angles, okay, PDC and BEC, these two angles are both 90, okay, both right angles, so that's why those are also equal. So by angle criteria, these two triangles are also similar, okay. So hope you have understood this. So now this is the solution of question number 7. Now you can note it, okay. Let me clean this. Now question number 8. In this question, E is a point on the side AD produced of parallelogram ABCD, BE intersects CD at F, so that these two triangles are similar, okay. Let me show you the solution of question number 8, okay. So this is the solution of question number 8, okay. So here you see E is a point on the side AD produced of parallelogram ABCD, okay. So here ABCD is a parallelogram, this one ABCD is a parallelogram, okay, and this side AD is produced to point E, okay, and this BE intersects CD at F, okay, at the point F, okay. Here we need to prove ABE similar to CFB. So this is the triangle ABE, this is ABE, and this is CFB, okay. In these two triangles, these two angles are equal, okay, as ABCD is parallelogram, so its opposite angles must be equal, and its opposite sides are parallel, so that's why we can say this angle E must be equal to angle CBF, okay. This is CBF and this is angle E. They are alternate interior angles, these two are parallel sides, isn't it? So alternate interior angles, so we have got angle A equal to angle C, opposite angles of parallelogram, and E equal to CBF, alternate interior angles. That's why these two triangles are similar according to AA criteria, okay. So hope you have understood this. Let me clean this page so that you can note it, okay. Okay, now let's move on to next question, that is question number 9, okay. So what is the question number 9? So here you see in the figure 6.39, 6.39 is this, okay, this is the 6.39, okay. Here what is given, ABC and AMP are two right angles triangles, okay. These were right angle triangles ABC, okay, and AMP, okay, these two are right angle triangles. So we have to show here ABC similar to AMP, these two triangles are similar, and we need to prove these two ratios are equal. Now you see, if we are able to show that these two triangles ABC and AMP are similar, then obviously these ratios will be equal, okay. because CA PA equal to BC by MP. Okay, CA PA and BC and MP are the sides of these two triangles. Okay, if these two will be similar, then their ratios of their corresponding sides definitely equal. Okay, now you see how to prove these two are similar. Let me show you here. This is the common angle for both triangles, and these two are right angles. So according to angle criteria, they are definitely similar. Okay, so let me show you the solution. This is the solution. Okay, here is the solution of question number 9. Okay, so in order to prove this, these two triangles are similar, I have drawn the two triangles separately here. Okay, these are the triangles ABC and AMP. Okay, these are the two triangles. So if you observe the figure, then you can see this angle is common. So angle A equal to angle A common, and angle B and angle M, this ABC and AMP, both are right angle. So here you see, by angle criteria, these two are similar. Angle A is common angle, and ABC and AMP are both 90 degree. Okay, these two angles are 90 degree. Okay, now here you see CA in this triangle ABC, CA, okay, it is opposite to right angle, and in the other triangle, the side opposite to right angle is AP. Okay, or we can say PA. That means CA is corresponding to PA. So ratio of CA and PA, this is CA by PA. Okay, must be equal to the ratios of the corresponding sides. So that's why again in the other ratio there is BC by MP. So here you see, this is BC, side BC. Okay, this side BC is opposite to angle A, and angle A is equal to angle A as common, as both are common angle. So in this triangle, the side opposite to angle A is MP. Okay, so BC and MP are corresponding sides. Okay, we know ratios of the corresponding sides are equal if the triangles are similar. So that's why this is also proved. Okay, so hope you have understood this. So let me clean this. Okay, now you can note it. Okay, so in this exercise there are total 16 questions, and today we have solved question number 5 to 9. So in the remaining in the next video I will show you the remaining problems. Okay, how to solve the remaining problems.